Yeah, thank you, Chair. Thank you, everyone. Actually, Sir might have selected me for some specific purpose only, because we are doing uh, such a nature of job which is very difficult to explain that what type of industry we are into and what nature of job we are doing. Actually, I am looking after public health services. Next slide, please. And our company, actually, we are managing a township of Tata Steel in Jamshedpur. And the township is almost, now you can say 150 plus years old. And the last 20 years back, earliest, it used to be a town division of Tata Steel, which used to maintain the town. So now they have made a separate company, Tata Steel Utilities and Infrastructure Services, which is maintaining the complete town. Next slide, please. So we are one of a type of private municipal corporation, you can say, who we are doing a lot of activities into managing the waste of the city. And this is one of the part. Actually, sir has selected me for the CND case only. We are doing other lot of works like environmental sanitation. We are doing the segregation of waste from the city. We are processing the waste. We are managing the dump landfills also. And even along with this, since it's a public health department, we do mosquito control works and a lot of other things. And the CND also one of an hazard to health. So we look after this also. So our role here is to collect the CND waste, and we have one small plant which makes paver blocks. And as sir, someone has mentioned that we should first recover the waste from the CND. So in Jamshedpur, 4 to 5 cases were there where we have demolished old buildings and constructed new ones. So in that we have done a reverse auction, where the party comes and they take whatever is recyclable possible, and they pay to us also, and they take the waste also. And whatever that remaining thing is that we have a specified dumping area, so we dump the waste there. So we are one of the, as I said, a private municipal corporation who are doing a lot of proactive work. You can see in other municipalities, the reactive works are there, something happens, then they run mostly, but we are doing a lot of proactive works. Next slide, please. So these are the activities that we are doing. So just to brief you what we are doing. So next slide, please. Next. So like what we collect the municipal solid waste, we also look after the collection of this CND waste also. We have primary system of collection because as you know, sir said that see, this is such a vulnerable area where whoever construction work are doing, they will in the night time they will dump the construction here and there. Even in our municipal bins where we have provided in the corners of the cities, there also in the night shift they will come and dump the material. And if you don't look for big drains in the city area, which you can say some 5 to 7 meters breadth. If you don't look for 5 years, close your eyes, that area will become 2 meter or maybe less than that, because that is the easiest source where they come and dump the waste. So we normally remove that silt, we identify all these points, and we collect. Next slide, please. Yeah. So we have actually one repair and maintenance department in our section who does all the maintenance work related to civil in the town. So somewhere it is easy for us to identify those, and we have around 40-45 contractors working with us who do this repair and repair work. And in the contract, we put the terms that whoever does this repair work, they have to bring that complete waste which is left into our CND dumping point. But still, to save money, I think I don't know how contractors have the habit, like whatever profit margins they have, they remove that profit, and then they decide that how much they can save, that they consider it to be a profit for them. So we collect all this waste with the help of these contractors. And even the contractors who don't take this waste to the dumping area and leave, we have a collection team of around say 130 vehicles moving into the city. So these people, they identify all the points, and we take this drive every year, and you can say 40 square kilometer area we are maintaining, and every year we find some 2,400 points where we find this CND waste being dumped. So we collect this, we bring this waste at one location. And next slide, please. So this is how our team continuously maintain in all the areas. We identify this longitude, latitude, we geotag it, and then we put one vehicle who moves into the city and collects all this and bring to that specified location. Now, after, next slide, please. After recovery of whatever waste that we can take back from there, like bricks and whatever some reinforced material is there, we use this material in our development work in the city for central verges on the roadside and even on the side. Next slide, please. This is how we develop the area using this CND waste. Next slide. See, these are the area which are vulnerable to encroachment. You can see in the evening, local hawkers, they will keep some thelas there and they will make a mess out of this area. So we use this CND waste to make heaps and uneven surfaces so they don't put up those thelas. And then we develop it into a green space. If you come to Jamshedpur, you can see a lot of greenery around the roadside and this type of landscaping, which is for a specific purpose. Yeah, next. So these are the roads where we are using all those CND waste. And as Vasant sir has briefed, we are doing biomining also. And just I will, next slide I will show, we have developed one forest using this CND waste. Around almost 35,000 tons of CND has been used. And that biomining waste has also been used along with this. Next slide, please. See, this is the area of development. Some 21 acres of land we have taken into this forest just to save the encroachment and utilize this the waste that we have collected for almost 4-7 years. So this forest, next slide, please. So this forest has been put up into 21 acres of land, and it is developed into an old ancient scientific way. Once it gets developed, it's just 1 year old now. So once it gets developed, it will be a very place to visit. At present also, it is open to citizens for morning walk and all, and it is being utilized very well. And we have removed a lot of encroachment also from this area. And such activities we are continuously doing into the complete city. Wherever we find some open area, we put up some park using this recyclable waste so that it doesn't get encroached. Next. So that's all from our side. Thank you.